first date went well. Wanted another, but I couldn't tell. Asked you at your doorstep when it was I would see you next. Nearly had a heart attack, but then you said it back. Months passed with you. For once I knew what to do. Asked you over supper, would you be my lover? Then this stressed out, but then you said it back. 3 words so short, perfect, and yet I needed more to tell you how I felt. Looking into those blue eyes, my heart melt. My mind I started to write, but then you said it back. Why did you leave when you said you loved me? I feel my heart attack when you won't say it back. I feel all the way stuck. You won't say it back. I feel my mind rack, but you won't.